In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record a meeting in Zoom. First, an important foundation. Zoom only allows the host to record, unless the host grants permission to someone else. This is designed to protect privacy and keep control in the right hands. If you're not the host, ask the host to give you recording permission. They can do that by opening the Participants panel, hovering over your name, clicking More, and choosing Allow Record. Once that's done, you'll see that you have access to the recording controls just like the host. When you're ready to capture the meeting, look for the record button in the Zoom toolbar during the call. Click it, and Zoom will ask where you want the recording to go. You can choose Record to this computer for a local file saved on your device, or Record to the cloud if your Zoom plan supports cloud recording. Local recording keeps everything on your machine, which is great if you want immediate access and have enough disk space. Cloud recording stores it in your Zoom account online, which can be helpful if you'll need to access it from different devices. As soon as recording starts, a small red indicator and the word recording will appear so everyone knows it's in progress. While the meeting is underway, you can pause or stop the recording using the controls in the toolbar. Pausing is perfect if you want to skip a break or an off-topic moment and then resume into the same file. Stopping finalizes the recording for the session. When you stop the recording, or when the meeting ends, Zoom will automatically begin converting the file. Give it a moment to finish. Longer meetings can take a little more time. It's best not to close your laptop or shut down the app mid-conversion. Finding your recording is straightforward. If you recorded locally to your computer, Zoom saves it by default in your Documents folder, inside a folder called Zoom. Each meeting gets its own subfolder, typically named with the meeting title and date, so it's easy to spot. If you recorded to the cloud, open the Zoom web portal in your browser and go to Recordings, then My Recordings. Your meeting will appear there once processing is complete. That's the full workflow. Make sure you have permission, start the recording, pause or stop as needed, and then retrieve the file from either your local Zoom folder or the Zoom web portal. And remember to let participants know you're recording, especially if your organization or local laws require consent.